Vietnam Airlines invests in 50 Boeing 737-8s, accelerating fleet development strategy. Vietnam Airlines, a national airline of Vietnam, has signed an agreement to purchase 50 Boeing 737-8 narrow-body aircraft worth up to US $8.1 billion in Washington, D.C., USA. On the sidelines of the signing ceremony, the airline's leaders also worked with Boeing on the next plan to invest in 30 wide-body aircraft in the near future, with a total estimated value of over $12 billion based on published prices, to serve its strategy of developing an international flight network. Vietnam Airlines expects to receive 50 Boeing 737-8s between 2030 and 2032, increasing its fleet size to 151 aircraft by 2030, with a priority on developing a narrow-body fleet to increase frequency, flexibility, and optimize operating costs. This is a strategic move to expand and modernize the fleet, enhance operational efficiency, and improve the airline's competitiveness in this new phase of development. The Boeing 737-8 aircraft will be operated on domestic and regional routes in Asia, meeting the growing travel demand. Vietnam Airlines aims to maintain an average double-digit growth rate over the next 5 years, with a projected total passenger volume of 168 million and cargo volume exceeding 2.25 million tons. Chairman of the Board of Directors of Vietnam Airlines Corporation, Dang Ngoc Hoa, stated, "Vietnam Airlines is proactively preparing comprehensively its resources, from its fleet and financial foundation to the development of high-quality human resources to be ready for a new growth cycle in the aviation industry." The investment in 50 Boeing 737-8 aircraft not only helps us build a modern, fuel-efficient fleet, but also contributes to improving operational efficiency and service quality to international standards. At the same time, this agreement further strengthens the long-term strategic cooperation between Vietnam Airlines and Boeing, creating a solid foundation to realize the goal of becoming a 5-star international airline before 2030. Boeing Commercial Airplanes President and CEO Stephanie Pope said, "We are proud to continue to enhance our partnership with Vietnam Airlines by combining the Boeing 737 MAX with the 787 Dreamliner to further expand our regional network and strengthen connectivity across Asia." The operational capabilities, economic efficiency, and passenger experience of the Boeing 737-8 make it an ideal aircraft to support Vietnam Airlines' growth strategy. As Boeing's best-selling aircraft in history, the Boeing 737-8 stands out for its advanced design, operational efficiency, and superior sustainability. With a maximum configuration of approximately 200 seats and a range of up to 6,570 kilometers, this aircraft is suitable for flexible operation on a variety of routes. This aircraft is equipped with next-generation engines combined with optimized aerodynamic design and high-tech winglets, resulting in fuel savings of up to 20% compared to previous generations. On average, each aircraft can reduce approximately 3,600 tons of CO2 emissions per year compared to previous models. The passenger cabin is designed to Boeing Sky Interior standards, using energy-efficient LED lighting, large overhead luggage compartments, space-optimized seating, and a wireless entertainment system, providing comfort and convenience for passengers throughout their journey. Investing in this aircraft not only enhances service quality, but also demonstrates Vietnam Airlines' commitment to sustainable development, emissions reduction, and efficient fuel use. Thus, Vietnam Airlines will operate both wide-body and narrow-body aircraft, the world's leading aircraft from Airbus and Boeing, simultaneously, further affirming its safe and efficient operational capabilities according to international standards. To diversify and secure funding, in 2025, Vietnam Airlines actively worked with domestic banks as well as leading U.S. financial institutions such as U.S. Exim Bank and Citibank to arrange financing for strategic projects, including fleet investments. These institutions can also provide advisory support to Vietnam Airlines in working with relevant partners to build a suitable financial structure, ensuring investment efficiency and risk management. Based on its increasingly improved financial foundation and operational efficiency, Vietnam Airlines is proactively preparing its capacity for a new growth cycle while expanding its presence on the global aviation map with a record 14 new routes. The acquisition of the Boeing 737-8 not only expands the size of its fleet, but also enhances its ability to meet the strong growth of the Asia-Pacific aviation market, improving its capacity and service quality. Through this, the airline continues to affirm its core role in the growth of the aviation industry, promoting Vietnam's connectivity with the region and the world, accompanying the country's economic integration and development process, and gradually realizing the goal of becoming a five-star international airline before 2030.